Hi, and welcome to Simply Learn Stuff. In this video, we will be looking at additional paste values. When copying information, you can also paste them as values. This is useful for when you have currency information, for example, and you just want the values alone. You can also paste values including the number formatting, like currency, date, etc. Or you can paste values and include the source formatting, such as the heading that we have is colored with a highlighted blue background and white text. If the values and source formatting is used, it also pastes the source formatting itself. You can also just paste the formatting alone. This is useful to paste one heading to another, similar to the format painter. You can also paste as a link. This is useful if you want to duplicate the value of the cell that is being copied. You can also paste it as a picture or as a linked picture, which is similar to pasting as a link, but instead of the filling of the cells, it fills the picture itself. I trust you find this useful, and remember to like and subscribe.